What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm reviewing a simple yet effective accessory that's been a great addition to my total gym setup, the Angles90 grips. These grips are designed to enhance your workouts by allowing more natural movements, reducing wrist strain, and helping you target specific muscles more effectively. If you're a fan of the total gym like I am, these grips can make a big difference. Let's take a closer look at how they work and why they're worth considering for your home gym. Let's get started. The Angles90 grips are available on Amazon.com for $33, and if you're lucky, they occasionally go on sale for around $25, and I'll put a link in the description to access them. These grips are the original patented ergonomic handle designed to reduce joint pain, provide a sweat-proof grip, and support over 30 different exercises. They can handle a weight threshold of over 660 pounds, and it also comes with a 5-year warranty for added peace of mind. The packaging is simple yet effective, arriving in a heavy-duty envelope along with a detailed how-to booklet. These grips are well designed, feeling like a solid rubbery material that grips comfortably to your hand. The straps are woven for extra durability and professionally sewn together so you can trust they'll hold up during intense workouts. The unique orange color really stands out and kind of invites you to want to use them when you're working out. The grips also have a nice curved design that fits perfectly in your hands, offering a natural and secure grip. From what I can see, the straps can be used in different ways, giving you the flexibility to adjust based on your workout needs. The dimensions of the grips itself are 5.5 inches, and you'll find about 11 inches from the top of the strap to the bottom of the grip itself. Alright, moving on to the booklet that it comes with. It's actually a nice resource, showcasing the different types of equipment that they have available, such as the A90 sling trainer, which is essentially a longer strap, the A90 resistance bands, and the A90 cable pulley. The booklet also provides valuable safety tips and practical usage instructions, breaking down various grip techniques such as the ergo method, power method, forearm method, power plus method, and the tricep method. And I'll go over each method in detail for your reference. Alright, let's start off with the ergo method. It's designed for high rep, low weight workouts. This method engages a stronger middle part of your hand, reducing strain on weaker areas. The power method is somewhat similar to gripping half of an Olympic ring. This technique allows you to lift heavier and pull with greater strength. The Power Plus method is perfect for push exercises on cable machines, sliding benches, and bands, as well as for heavier pull workouts such as rows. You'll see that the straps are inserted through both of the side slits, evenly distributing the weight on the handles. For the forearm method, by placing your ring finger through the strap, this approach increases the difficulty, targeting your forearm muscles more intensely. For the tricep method, it offers a natural grip position that feels comfortable and effective for tricep-focused exercises. As you can see, it almost feels like pulling on a rope when in use. The process of shortening the straps can be done in a couple of simple steps. First, you'll hold the bottom of the strap and drag the handle toward the anchor point. And be sure to insert the bottom of the strap into one of the side slits. Either one will work. Then you'll keep the strap straight to ensure there's no pressure on your fingers during training. Now keep in mind, to prevent the strap from slipping out of the slit, use a finger to hold it in place while pulling back the handle. Alright, now let's talk about how I use the Angles90 handles with my total gym. What's great about these grips is their versatility, so you can loop the straps around each of the frame arms on the total gym fit, making them perfect for exercises like prone pull-ups, supine rows, and seated rows. This technique adds more resistance to your workouts as you're essentially removing the pulley system and utilizing more of your body weight in your workouts. You definitely feel the difference compared to using the pulley system. Alternatively, you can attach the grips to replace the standard handles on the total gym, giving you even more customization options for your workouts. They allow for a greater range of motion, which helps target muscles more effectively while reducing strain on my wrists and joints compared to traditional handles. The ergonomic design is nice, especially during high rep sets. It makes every movement feel smooth and more natural. So for the question, are the Angles90 handles worth it? In my opinion, absolutely. They are versatile, durable, and designed with your joint health in mind. When paired with a total gym, they take your workouts to the next level by offering a greater range of motion and improved comfort. Whether you're doing pull-ups, chest press, rows, bicep curls, or tricep extensions, these grips enhance your training experience. At just $33 or even less when on sale, it's a small investment for such a big improvement in your workouts. If you have any questions, reach me in the comment section. I'd be glad to answer them. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.